Silav geliye varan, îro em dixwazin bipirsin, dixwazin hîn bibin ka çawa bipirsin, ka çawa demê bipirsin. Di İngilîzî de, hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to ask for time. Okay, so what time is it? We simply ask like that. What time is it? Saat çende. Saat çende. Saat çende. Saat. Once you know this, saat, you know how to pronounce this. Saat çende. Saat çende. That's it. You ask like this. Okay, now you are asking what time is it? And then what time is it? Just like this. And I put a picture in here, and I am trying to tell you everything about time, the easy peasy rules. You generally say saat when you say, okay, let's give some example after this. Actually, we have too many examples, but I will still give right now, and then I will be showing the examples. It will be much better to learn. Okay, let's say I am saying, first I will start with just hour. Saat, çare. Okay, saat çare. Even I will write this like this. Saat çare. Çare means 4. So what I say it is 4 o'clock. How do you write clock? Oops. Okay, it's 4 o'clock. Oh, today whole the day I was writing, and today I have problem. Okay, saat çare. It is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. So 4 is around where? It is probably 3, and 4 is around here, right? It's 4. It is çare. Saat çare. So as you see, I said saat, which means I will say saat, and then I said which in English is e. You put e, and you put just number. Saat çare. So when you want to say time, it is 12. How will you say? Saat 12. Saat 12, which means it is 12. And when you want to say it is 11, you will simply copy this, and then you will paste this. You will simply change this. Yalnız de. And when you want to say it is 1, you will say saat yeke. Saat yeke. Do you see? When you want to tell about the exact time, you simply put a in the end, and you just you say the time, you say the number, and then you simply put the e end of it. Like this, you can tell the full time. And when it is half, you simply say saat. Okay, you will tell the time. You will put u, and then you will put, okay, you will put like this. You will put u nif. Nif means half. So simply you put unif. When you want to say it is something half, you simply put unif end of here. Simply, if I put an unif end of here, now what I say it is now I say it is the 12 unive, which means I say it is 12, half past 12. And in here I say half past 11. And in here I will say anything, any number, any hour, nive. So simply nive, unif. The difference is this. So this was full clock. When it was time, it is the time. We say this. When you want to say half, you say like this. You simply put this one. And when it is in here 15 or 45, but before going to this, I have to say which side we say. what we say for this side, what we say for this side, for the second, no, the minute to put in which side. Okay, if the minute is in this side, you will say derbas debe, derbas debe. Okay, how do we say that? I will remove this. Saat, saat, again, saat. Oh yeah, we will write all of them wrong. Saat, saat. Okay, yeah, saat. And saat. So we say what? We say saat. You put saat for everyone, for every when you are going to tell about these both, you will put everyone saat. Actually, for all of them, you put saat. You see saat. Of course, it is time. Of course, you'll put. It was stupid thing I have said, but it's okay. You say saat. After this, you will say something saat, something ra, ra, something derbastebe, derbastebe. Okay, maybe I should delete some of them so it comes in the same line. It doesn't come in the same line. Why? Come on, come in. Okay, it comes in the same line now. Okay. Okay, like this. You will put saat. You will say the time as clock, and then you will say the minute. For example, I want to say the time. It is like what? Let's say a time. It is 10 past 4. It is 10 past 4. So what does it mean? What 10 past 4? 10 past 10. Okay. Okay, it means like when I say 9, okay, like I will say 10 past, it is 10 past 10. I will say, let's say, 10 past 20. Okay, 10 past 20. It's 10 past 20, so we know. This means like it is 10 past 20. Saat, saat, saat, deha, deha, dehara, dehara, saat dehara, deh means 10, dehara, beast, derbas debe. So this word comes accordingly the way you read this. For example, you say dehara, dehara, dehara, nehara, neha, nehara, and yeke. For example, if you say yakera, it will be like this. So probably, I think it is vowel, it became a, and in the other side, otherwise, if a consonant, it became aha. So deh is consonant, deh, because it ends with h. That's why it is a. And dehara, beast, derbastebe. Beast, you can say even deqe, deqe, deqe, derbastebe. Deh deqe, derbastebe. Beast deqe, derbastebe. Which means, this means minutes. But if you don't use it, it's okay still. Saat, dehara, beast, derbastebe. Okay, you see, that is the thing. You will this will change, and this comes accordingly. You read this, and if it is consonant, you will put a end of this. If it is vowel, then you will put a. Yakira, yara, syara, syara, yara, and then you will put a number in here. Zahara darbazwe. So like this. Saat, tishtaki ra, saat, something ra. Darbastabe. So if it is in this side, you will say darbastabe. And if it is in this side, you will say the next hour. For example, in here, I want to say it is 10 to 10 to what? I think, oh yeah, I said this wrongly in English. I said it wrongly. It will be like this: 10 past 10. Okay, 20 past 10. I said that thing wrongly. This is right. It is 10 to, okay, I will say 20 still. It might be much better to say 20. It is 22 11. Let's say it is like this: 22:11. In this time I will say saat, still saat 11 bist maye. So instead of derbasdebe, you will simply use maye if you want to say this. So this, when to have this meaning, you say maye in the end. For this, you say derbasdebe. So like that. Okay, let's continue the next one. And nothing else said. Okay. And for charikek means 15. A quarter past, a quarter past, a quarter past, a quarter past, a quarter past 10. What it means? It means it is 15 minutes passing 10. When you want to say this, you will say saat deha ra charikek chari. So this is actually still same root: charikek derbastıbe. Basically nothing changes. Instead of 15 you say charikek, right? When you look at here, charikek derbastıbe. And when you want to say to a quarter to 10, in this time you will say maya. Instead of derbastıbe you will say maya. We have 3, for example. I will show you in here. So like this, saat dehe. When we look at what was our rule, we will simply say saat, we will say and then we will put number. So in here, this is 10 and it is at 12, so this is the full hour, which means it is dehe, saat dehe. Yeah, and in here, saat char unive. We said if it is in middle, it is half past 4. When we say that, you simply put this and you say the number saat. You always put saat. After that you put number, you put univ, different than this one. You simply put univ, which becomes half. Niv means half, as you mentioned before, and the rest is same. This you only add this, and you see saat neziki charane. Okay, neziki charane is like you don't say any number in this case. For example, you say it is close to 4. You know, many times also we say that, like, it is close to 4. How close? We have this, so many times we say that, yeah, it is not defined. Even it is in here, you can say it's nezik. You can see here, you can say nezik. You can say in here, you can say nezik. It's not used a lot, but in the language when we are talking, we don't have to give the exact time, right? You don't have to give exact time. It must be flexible. Be flexible, more flexible. And that's why we say it is around this, like it's around this, okay? So if you want to say nezik means closer, actually, closer, nezik. Nezik means close, and that's why we say, but I think I always write this wrong, huh? Saat. Why always I write like this? I don't know. Okay, maybe this is wrong. No, saat. Okay, so let's continue. Judiyara charika heya. Heya, not heya actually. I wouldn't confuse your mind. I would say maya. Maya is much better. Maya, because I said maya. So what it says, Judiyara charika heya. It's quarter to 2. So it's almost close to 2, and it has 15 minutes. Judiyara. I will say. Okay, we don't have to use this also. Saat de dianre. So but you use je, it means like to be je de dianre, saat de dianre. Simply use like this. Don't think about je now, because I didn't tell about this before. But it is not very strange. So you can use or you can not use it. It doesn't matter. It's okay. saat düdüyan re, saat düdüyan re, saat düdüyan re, çarikak maye. As I said, what is it? You simply put saat, you put number, you put the deux. That became that we said we have a, and that's it. So actually the deux. So somehow it became an, the duyan, and generally this is the the duyan re, çarikak maya. Simply you put this one instead of saying the minute, the exact minute. It's 1:45. And here we have çaran çarikak debore. Instead of this, we will say derbas debe. You know, like it has too many meanings. The way to say what the simple way is this: derbas debe, çaran çarikak derbas debe. Okay, çaran çarikak derbas debe. It passes 4 with 15 minutes. It's quarter past 4. Past 4. It is a quarter past 4. And çarikak derbas debe. So as I said, it is in this side, you say derbas debe. And if it is in this side, you say maye. And that's it. Okay. Geleki spas dikim ji bo ku we ez guhdarî kirim. Lê xwe baş binêre xatirê we. Thank you so much to watch. Take care of yourself. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And that's that. Ooh.